Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ankita. Let's see what are the messages for you. Do like and subscribe to my channel for personal readings. You can contact me on the given number. We have Two of Pentacles. You're not able to decide between two people, two jobs, or you're juggling between two tasks. You're juggling between your personal or professional life, and the emotions are so messed up right now. Let's see what the other cards have to say. Maybe you're worried about the future. There's a lot of responsibilities you're carrying. Maybe you're doing everything, like handling the family, and also going through a tough time in the relationship. Everything has been very chaotic. Everything has been so hard right now that your emotions are like, it's waiting to burst out. Like your emotions are ready to burst out. You just need someone to hear out. Six of Pentacles. That is what the reason is. You have been very giving for years. You have done so much for others that now you want the justice. Now you want that you get someone who is there for you, who cares for you, who is very loving, who listens to you, who's there to hug you when you need them. So that pain is so hard that you know uh, like you have no energy right now. I feel you're always on the bed, not able to move. Like even when people or friends, they invite you for something, maybe party or an outing, you're always the person who's saying no. And that is because of that trauma or because of that hurt which you have dealt with. They, even after doing so much, people are not appreciating you, even in relationship, even in the family. After being so hardworking, taking care of everyone, King of Swords, it seems that there is a communication gap, or people are not understanding your efforts. You need to do something that makes them realize that you are not someone who can be taken for granted, be in relationship, be in friendships, or even in the family. Justice, oh my god, you want that justice. You want someone to stand for you, and you know be very clear that you've done so much for others that now you need time to rest. You need that same kind of energy for yourself. We have 2, 11, 14, 5, 10, 6. All these are important numbers, important dates. Nine of Pentacles. This is the card which is going to open up something in you, and this says that you have to take care of yourself. In the process of keeping others happy, you have forgotten that you need the time, you need the efforts for yourself. You have to keep yourself as a priority. It's time for self care. It's time to choose yourself. Even if in relationship your partner doesn't understand you, you need to understand yourself, so that you know uh, there is that healing power which is going to surround you. You have to protect yourself. You have to be grounded. You have to get ready for yourself. I feel that taking so much of efforts, you have even forgotten that you have to get ready, look beautiful, be beautiful, uh, take some time for yourself. And that is what this card is saying. Go out, have a little fun. You have been earning money. You have put in so much efforts and time that you never traveled. I feel for months you haven't even traveled anywhere. This card says that it's time that you look after yourself. It's basically, in short, it's self care. It's giving time to yourself. Temperance, oh my god. There always has to be a balance in the emotions. There has to be balance. Like the first card we got, Two of Pentacles. If you see one, this card seems like you are just playing with it. You are, you know if you even choose to do one thing, the other thing is always ready to come up again. So this card seems here that you have to balance the emotions.